Many forests are in need of a helping hand. Today, volunteers are working to restore the forests. There are currently some 280 active volunteer groups nationwide. Forests provide us with invaluable sources of recreation, wildlife, high water quality, and the peace and tranquility of nature. However, during heavy rains, a damaged forest can become the cause of landslides or floods. Global environmental issues and natural disasters have heightened public awareness. One major issue for the future is how to conserve the forests. So it's essential that volunteers have a knowledgeable forestry teacher to offer them guidance and make their activities worthwhile. We foresters are surprised by how enthusiastic these city folk are. Their contributions are becoming increasingly useful in our forest conservation work. Most participants live in the city. Noboru Wada has been volunteering for the past year and a half. Over time, he began to truly understand the serious problems facing the forests. Today, a neighbour will come along to volunteer for the first time. This volunteer group conducts its activities 50 kilometers outside Tokyo. Over the past year and a half, the group has been replanting mountain slopes that have grown wild after the original trees were felled. For the city dwellers, just walking along the steep mountain slopes is tiring. The group is planting Japanese cypress seedlings. Even though it will take many years before he can see the results of his work, Noboru says it's rewarding to help restore the ecosystem. It's necessary to remove some of the unhealthy trees in a process known as thinning. This allows sunlight to reach the forest floor and promote the growth of microorganisms. Volunteers learn the significance of this necessary task and the importance of sunlight to the forest. I believe that if we work together, we'll be able to protect the forest.
Now I realize that conserving forests takes a lot of effort.
By protecting the forests, I want to hand down pure drinking water and clean air to children of the future. Volunteer efforts are nurturing the life of the forest for future generations.